Welcome to a guided tour of the beautiful Bahrain International Circuit, newly released to rFactor 2 on board the Van Wall van der Velde LMH, as we take a guided tour to the latest laserscanned creation within rFactor 2, down the long start-finish straight all the way up into 6th gear, as we spot our approach down into the difficult T1 right-hander, through the gears down into first, get the apex on the inside, then a quick skirt of acceleration as we cut over the curve for the second part of the corner, minimise wheel spin, minimise traction loss as we accelerate for the long run down into the T4 hairpin, up into 5th gear, then back through the box into first. Keep the apex nice and tight, use the full width of the racetrack, watching those exit curves not to unsettle the car before we come into one of the most exciting sections of corners here at Bahrain, using all of the racetrack, modulating the throttle and the brakes to get this difficult to handle car turned in, down into first gear for the hairpin. Again, hard on the throttle, use a little bit of curb on the outside, and now the downhill left-handed brake and turn at the same time, balance the car just perfectly for the tricky second part of the corner, vital corner here as well, as we get back on the gas for the long run down the following straight. Critical to carry as much speed as we possibly can as we come into the difficult uphill left-hander. 2nd gear, keep the car relatively tight, allow it to flow to the outside of the racetrack and then nip it back to the left-hand side for the long swooping right-hand corner, balancing the car once again, a bit of opposite lock as well to keep ourselves under control. Use the curb to the inside, run the car out to the externals of the circuit, and hard as we possibly can on the throttle for the long run down. We can see the corner in the distance. We're about to judge where we're going to hit the brakes, drop the car through the gearbox once again, manage to catch the apex, run out the full width of the circuit, and that is a lap of the Bahrain International Circuit Grand Prix layout in the Van Wall van der Velde LMH in rFactor 2, available as part of the Q4 2022 content drop.